Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to AppSec's online support program. This is the video tutorial for Mathematics Grade 6. Today we are going to revise something more about the integers. For this purpose, we will follow the textbook New Secondary Mathematics Book 1. The page numbers from this book are 30 to 33. The chapter, that is chapter number 2, integers, rational numbers and real numbers. The topic from this chapter are addition and subtraction involving negative numbers. Resources required: maths book, notebook, mobile or laptop or computer. Introduction of the lesson: addition involving negative numbers, subtraction involving negative numbers. These are the objectives of today's lesson, or the introduction of the today's lesson. Before we moving towards the today's lesson, we have to follow or go through the thought of the day. That is, success is nothing more than a few simple disciplines practiced every day. Hope you understand this quote. Now, the objectives of today's lesson are: we will learn about the addition involving negative numbers, and also we will learn about the subtraction involving negative number. So how we can do it? So let's move forward and we can see. Okay, this is the slight recap of the changing sign. How to carry out addition that involves negative number. For example, 5 plus minus 2. So this plus and minus have to multiply. So plus minus is equal to minus. So 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. Another example, minus 5 plus 2. So that is minus 5 plus 2, minus plus minus. So we have to minus. 5 minus 2 is 3, but the sign is for the greater number because 5 is greater number and the sign with the greater number is minus, so this is minus 3. One more example, that is minus 5 plus minus 2 is equal to minus 5, and this plus and minus will be multiplied, so plus minus is minus, so the answer is minus 7 because minus minus is plus and the sign will be taken out from the bigger number. So this is minus 7. Okay, before we moving towards the practice now question, we have to revise the plus minus signs. There are the 4 categories, that is plus plus is equal to plus, plus minus is equal to minus, minus plus is equal to minus, and minus minus is equal to plus. The one is very unique identity that you can identify this sign. Any similar sign multiply, so it will get the plus sign, and any dissimilar sign multiply, then we will get the negative sign. Okay students, now we have to move forward the practice now. The practice now, which is including in the page number 33 from your book. The question is, without using any calculator or algebraic disk, find the value of each of the following. So these are the parts from A to H. So we have to simplify, or we have to solve or find the value. So A, 9 plus minus is equal to what? So first of all, we have to multiply this plus and minus. So plus minus minus. So 9 minus 2 is equal to 7. And here the sign is positive, means plus, because the greater number is 9 including the plus sign. So B, minus 7 plus 4 is equal to minus 3. 3 plus minus is equal to what? Plus minus minus. So 3 minus 5 is equal to minus 2. Part D, minus 6 plus minus 8. So this plus and minus should be multiplied, so it will form minus. Then minus minus plus. So 6 plus 8 is 14. So the minus sign is taken over here because the greater number is 8 with minus sign. So next, part E, minus 27 plus minus 13. so it will get minus 40. Minus 25 plus 11, so we will get minus 14. 14 plus minus 16, so we will get 14 minus 16, so the final answer is minus 2. Last part, minus 12 plus minus 15 is equal to minus 12 is same written over here, but this plus minus is plus minus minus, that is 15. So we will get minus 27. So this is the practice now. Now the practice now 1 from page number 33, the same page number 33. The question is the very simple question. The temperature of a town on a particular night is minus 8 degrees Celsius. The next morning temperature rises by 2 degrees Celsius. Find the temperature in the morning. So the temperature in the morning is equal to minus 8 degrees Celsius, but in question it is mentioned that the temperature rises, means increases by 2 degrees. So we have to add the 2 degrees Celsius with minus 8 degrees Celsius. So finally temperature in the morning is minus 6 degree, because minus plus is minus. So this is minus 6 degree Celsius. Now this is the time for home task. Do question number 1 from A to H part, question number 4 A to H part, and question number 6 from exercise to B. Right, students? In last, you have to follow some instructions. That is, stay at home and stay safe. These work and home tasks should be done on fair notebook. Work must be neat and tidy with proper date and page number. Use black and blue gel pen. Draw proper and straight margin line with pencil. Make an arrow line after every question. Thank you very much.